What is going on, guys? Josh and Hunter here with Josh and Hunter's Adventures. Guys, we are at the lake again. Early morning. It's rolling up on about 6 o'clock. Sun's coming up. Gonna be a pretty day. We're gonna try to see if we can get on some of these stripers first thing in the morning. Hopefully it'll be a good day. It's a little bit cool this morning. You can see we got some steam fog coming up off the water there, but we're gonna see if we can catch them. Guys, we'll see y'all on the water. All right, guys, so what we're doing here is there is shad coming up in this little hole right here. So we are over here trying to catch these stripers and these hybrids. I done caught one little bitty one just first thing, nothing to write home about. One, I mean I'm talking like 12-incher. They're usually in here better than this. Sometimes it just takes them just a little while. They'll push that shad up in here in this swimming hole. I got him. I got him, buddy. There we go, buddy. Got him?
Mm-hmm. Nice. There.
Well, that's two in here. I got him again.
Oh my God.
Little bass. Gosh, them hooks are sharp. There he is, guys. He gone. I wasn't recording. Look at that, guys. We just caught that one and I wasn't even recording. Oh, let him go, buddy. Man, I hate I didn't get that one on video.
Got him.
Hunter's hooked up, guys.
Black and blue chatterbait.
Are you serious?
I will try again.
Black and blue chatterbait, guys. Oh, man. Good job, buddy. Old black and blue's coming through, buddy. I'll come to you.
Not nearly as big as yours.
Man, oh man, that is a pretty fish, though. What a view in that sun coming up, oh buddy. Man, oh man. Hit it right here, huh?
Yep.
They're just up here feeding on shad so much. All right. All right, guys, we've caught, I think that makes, yeah. We caught 5 so far. Old bird down here wanting its breakfast too. It's gonna be mad too, I'd say, when I come through here. Golly, look what a mouthful that bird's got, guys. It's just, It's just cramming its mouth down in there and just getting them by the mouthful. Got him. Good job, buddy. Come off. Just horsed him a little too much. Hunter has hooked up again. This is his third one, guys. If he can get it in here, he'll be two he's landed. How big? Like you need me? Just a minute. Bring him up. Slow right here. Smallmouth? Yeah, he wasn't coming off either.
He was fighting hard.
Nice one, buddy. Let's let him go. Yeah, they're usually not as friendly, but you can try. Awesome. Why don't you go to the store and buy more black and blue chatterbaits? All right, guys, so Hunter has had 3 on the chatterbait. He got 2 of them in. I have caught 4 on top water, 2 stripers, a smallmouth, and that largemouth that I did not get on camera. Video, anyways. But that happens, unfortunately, and it's usually on the big ones. Got one? Okay, I'm doing the best I can, Hunter. Just don't mess with the paddle. Just relax. All right, up to me. Goodness.
He was pulling drag. I told you. Look at his colors.
Yeah. Hold on. Crawfish down in there, guys. Let's see him, our buddy. Hold him up one good time here. And what a beautiful fish. Alrighty, let's let him go. There he goes. Man, you're freaking on him. Well, that's 8 total, but Hunter didn't get that one in. But so we caught 7, landed 7, and had 8 total on. So gosh, man, that's pretty good. It's probably, I don't know what time it is, probably 7:30 maybe. So I'm just gonna keep grinding it out right down through here. They are up here just feeding on shad like crazy, man. You got another one? Yep. Lord, what a big one. He's killing me, boys. I'm trying, Hunter. Gosh, I've never in my life. Okay.
I'm letting him go where he wants to go. Bring him up.
Sorry, I'm sorry. You got lucky.
Why?
He was hooked good, but not where you really want him. What a beautiful fish.
He is mad.
Okay, guys, we were just talking that this is number 9. We've landed 8, so this is the 8th one that we've landed. Just look how good and healthy that fish is, guys. And look.
He's got a black spot right there.
Yeah.
He's gonna be a big one one day.
He's pretty. Let's go. Let's get him back in the water and try to catch some more. Hold on. Let me get you pushed up. We're gonna turn him loose, guys. Get him up on his top there. He's still underneath your kayak, Hunter. No joke, he's still underneath there. Look at there, guys. There he is, still under there. No joke. We were just talking. Hunter said, I said, well, we're going to have to make a trip to the tackle store and get some black and blue chatterbaits. I think I've only got like 1 or 2 more, including the one he's got tied on. He said, yeah, just don't tell anybody. I said, yeah, we just walk up to the counter with every black chatterbait that they have in the store. We thought we'd give them a shot, you know, I mean. Man, he is really catching them on that black this morning. Unreal, buddy. You done good. I was catching them this morning on top water, and he just wasn't having any luck. And now he's wearing them out on a chatterbait, and I ain't having any luck. So we're just switching hands here. Got him? Come off, huh? All right, he's got me in a tree, bud. Freaking big one. Man alive, guys, what a beautiful fish. Right here off this styrofoam thing, he was sitting underneath there. Did you guys see that?
What color are you thinking?
I got him. Are you kidding me?
He is mad.
Dang. My gosh. Nice one, buddy. All right, let him go. Whew. All right. All right. Pretty one. Let him go. All right, guys, we're done. It's 1 o'clock. We fished from daylight, which was probably I don't know, a little after 5:30. I think we ended up catching 12, 11 or 12. So really, I mean, pretty good day. We caught some good ones. I know I didn't get that one on film, the big one, but it was a really good one. But hey, that's the way it goes sometimes. Guys, remember, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you guys think about the videos. Like I said, we're trying to put out 2 videos a week. We're trying to do Mondays and Thursdays right now. But guys, if you haven't, please go down and hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. That way you know when we put out videos, guys. This is Josh and Hunter. Thanks for watching Josh and Hunter's Adventures. We'll see you next time, guys.